Hey guys, it's another cold day at the office. I'm up here working on all things office and YouTube related. The guys are in the back working on who knows what. We're gonna go find out. You know the drill. Let's go.
So we're just packing up our tilt and seismic instruments that we've been working on for the past 2 years, developing from scratch. They're being crated and shipped to the Netherlands, where they're going to be stuck in a borehole and hopefully just work.
Hey, so right now I am building up some circuit boards for one of our customers, a custom one that we helped them design, and they've got a little pressure sensor on them that is very sensitive to heat. So in the past we tried to cook these in the oven with the rest, but since that plastic gets a little melty, we would see bubbles on the plastic and stuff, so we have to be a little bit more delicate with that. So in this setup we've got this little mini hot plate, which is super useful. It gets up to 300 degrees Celsius, and I've already reflowed this board, so all these connectors are on there, all these components are on there except for these little sensors. So as the last step for these boards, I'm gonna put this whole plate on this little hot plate and solder these little sensors on from the bottom.
So I packed up all of this equipment that's going to our Antarctic temperature sensing project and built a big battery case to hold all the batteries. There's no hardware store they can go to in their Antarctica, so we have every cable labeled with how many and exactly what it does. And this is just one way that we try to make field work a little bit easier because it's already hard enough.
Never really sure how to end these. Once again, a bunch of interesting stuff that they've got going on back there. I find out just as much as you guys do in these videos because I'm usually up here working on office related things or YouTube videos, so I don't see a whole lot of what goes on back there, and there's a lot to try to keep up with. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you do, go ahead and give us a like. It helps us to know what kind of videos you guys do or do not like to watch. We're trying to do these interview style videos weekly now, so subscribe to stay up to date on all of the cool things that we're doing and turn on your notifications so you don't miss it. I'll see you next week.